What's the meaning of altoids? Altoids. 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 Altoids.
Altoids is a brand of breath mints that is owned by the Wrigley Company. These mints are small, hard, and rectangular in shape, and are marketed as a way to freshen a person's breath and/or suppress hunger. Altoids come in a variety of flavors, including peppermint, wintergreen, cinnamon, and ginger. They are typically sold in metal tins that are convenient for carrying in a pocket or purse. Overall, Altoids are a popular choice for people who want to have fresh breath on the go.